State Farm Roof Claim Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Let's dive into what you need to know about filing a roof claim with State Farm. A key feature of State Farm's roof claim process is their emphasis on using independent adjusters to assess the damage. These adjusters are supposed to provide unbiased evaluations, aiming for a fair assessment of whether the damage warrants a full replacement or only requires repairs. State Farm also offers various coverage options within their homeowners' policies, including replacement cost value, RCV, and actual cash value, ACV. RCV covers the full cost of replacing your roof with a new one minus your deductible, while ACV factors in depreciation, meaning you will receive less money upfront. This is a crucial distinction to understand when selecting your policy. State Farm is generally well suited for homeowners seeking comprehensive coverage and a financially stable insurer. They are particularly attractive to those who prioritize a strong local agent network for personalized service. The strengths of State Farm's roof claim process include their financial stability, which translates to a higher likelihood of claim payouts, and their established network of contractors. They also have a relatively straightforward claim process online and via their app. However, weaknesses exist. Some policyholders have reported challenges in getting full roof replacements approved, even when damage appears significant. There can be discrepancies in damage assessment between the homeowner's perspective and the adjuster's evaluation, leading to potential disputes. Furthermore, the initial ACV payout can be lower than expected due to depreciation calculations, requiring homeowners to navigate the process of recovering the remaining RCV amount after completing the repairs or replacement. Successfully navigating a State Farm roof claim requires diligent documentation of the damage, a thorough understanding of your policy coverage, and proactive communication with your adjuster. Obtain multiple contractor estimates to support your claim and be prepared to negotiate if the initial offer doesn't adequately cover the necessary repairs or replacement. Consider securing a public adjuster to represent your interests, especially in complex or high-value claims. State Farm offers a solid foundation for roof claim coverage, but homeowners must be informed and prepared to advocate for their needs throughout the process. Ultimately, the success of your claim hinges on understanding your policy, documenting the damage meticulously, and effectively communicating with State Farm and its representatives.